how to get data from picture to use it in Excel. So the first, let's go and open Excel here. And then once you open Excel, you're just going to click on new project. This option here, blank workbook. Okay, so here we are. What we're going to do is the following up. Go and click on data, and then go here, click on this option, and choose picture from file. In here, we need to localize or find a picture, which could be on my desktop. This one here, click on insert. Just wait a few seconds until it's getting data. Here we go. So these are the red lines for some data which is not clear 100%. If we click on it, we can change the item itself and click on accept. In my case, I will not change something, so I'm going to click on close. We got these as well that we can change. And then click on insert data and click on insert anyway. And here we got the data itself. That's the first case. Second case, we can bring the data by screenshots. I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's go and open the picture itself that I use here. And then I'm going to click on Ctrl+Shift and S to open the snipping tool. And I'm going to put some marks here. Okay, that's good enough. This one. And back to Excel once again. Click on New, let's blank. And here, go to Data. And click on this one once again. Here, choose Picture from Clipboard. It's getting analyzed itself. And the same one, just click on Insert Data, Insert Anyway, and here we got data. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.